In this video we're going to demonstrate the control panel and what appliances can you turn on and off by using the control panel, and also what information it will give you. Turn the control panel on, simply gently touch this button on the right bottom corner of the board, and as you can see the control panel will come to life, immediately displaying two information: one, that you're hooked up to the mains power; two, that your batteries are charging. To view the engine battery voltage, simply touch this button just above the power button and it will display the voltage, the current voltage of the engine battery. We are plugged in and the batteries are charging, so obviously this voltage is nice and high, 14.4 volts. Using the button just above will display the leisure battery voltage. The last button on the top, on the right hand corner, will show you the freshwater tank and the grey water tank levels. S1 refers to the freshwater tank, so we know that we are looking at the freshwater tank levels, and is displaying 33%. The freshwater tank and the grey water tank both have 3 sensors each, and these are situated at 33%, 66% and 99%. So these are the information you're going to see on this control board. Touch this button once again will display the wastewater tank. This is the grey water tank. This means this is all the wastewater from your shower, your sink and the kitchen, obviously. So this is showing us 0%, meaning our grey water tank is empty. We can also view temperatures inside and outside the vehicle. Inside, as you can see, is displaying 21 degrees Celsius, and touch it once again. Outside it's displaying 10 degrees Celsius. Please note the control board will only display temperature in Celsius, not in Fahrenheit. Turning the lights on, we'll simply use this button just above the inside and outside temperature button. But just to note this little information, many of our customers will try to use the lights after they turn the panel on, and obviously, as you can see, the lights will not work. To use the lights, we need to tell the control panel that we wish to use the lights in the vehicle, and that we do simply by touching this button. As you can see, the lights come on, and now I can turn them on and off. Just above you have the awning light. Outside there is a light fitted to the side of the vehicle. If it would be outside, you would see this light coming now on and off. Last but not least, we have the water pump button. Simply push the button and you will hear the pump coming to life. It will be humming, and after a few seconds this humming noise will stop. The pump has pressurized the system and your water system is ready to use. You'll notice that as you run the water taps, this humming noise will come back again. Obviously the pump is in operation. Once you close the tap, this humming noise will stop after a few seconds again, once the water system is pressurized.